So, Arsenal, 0. Moyes there. West Ham are massive. Everywhere they go. The Declan Rice Derby team, 2. Mikel Arteta, spliff. Mikel Arteta, pack. That result has been coming. And that result has been coming for a long time. That has been coming for a long, long time. Big up to everyone locked inside. Big up to everyone who tuned into the watch along. Nearly 4.3k people locked into that. Make sure you are subscribing. Sub to Lee Reacts. We're doing a Mahrez FC watch along tomorrow. Mahrez FC, my baller. Yeah, 14 goals, none conceded in their last 3 games away from home. Lock in, 6 p.m. UK time. Anyway, how can I predict that Trossard will be in midfield tonight? I predicted on a show with Said and Northside that Trossard would be number 8 tonight. Cheers. Happy New Year, guys. Cheers. Oh, actually, we still got one more game. Fulham away. The same Fulham team that beat West Ham 5-0. Yes, 5. I got 5 on it. Can we play you every week? Guess what, mate? Yeah, guess what? We're going to Fulham away. New Year's Eve. Oh, that's a bit of that's a bit of a sticky one. I can't lie. Ooh, I don't normally get nervous and all that, but get out of here, man. What's the excuse tonight then? What, we're going to blame VAR? Oh, but the ball went out. Did VAR stop us scoring a goal? No. Did VAR stop us creating any clear-cut chances? No. Did VAR stop us having anything other than sideways and backwards passes? No. Did VAR make Odegaard do this? What was he doing? Yeah, watch how many times this guy flicks his hair. And then guess what? We then brought another hair flicker on. Smith Rowe. How many expected hair flicks were there? How many? This team. Yeah, this team. Really. Champion material, yeah? Good one. Yeah, good one. That fixed bench that the manager only brought 2 subs on. 2 subs. Need a goal. Bring the King of Zamunda on. Need a goal. Bring on Reece Nelson. Good one, mate. It's going well, isn't it? Declan Rice. Declan Rice. Let's talk about Declan Rice. Best CDM in the world according to this lot. Cool. What were you doing tonight? Was you playing for West Ham still? Did you forget what team you played for? No? Okay, cool. Let's go to the Bozo gene. Cheers, guys. As soon as I praised the guy on my watch along, he's been our best defender this calendar year. In my opinion, he has. All of a sudden, 2 Bozo moments. C-Tech Bart Simpson. Bin this geezer in January. Don't wait till the summer. Bin him in January. Benjamin White. What are you doing? An injured Paqueta is playing. You follow him from right back into centre mid. You get spun. He plays the ball down to Emerson. You're supposed to be there. You're not because you tracked him all the way into midfield. And then he whips a great cross into the box. The Bozo gene and the C-Tech Bart Simpson. You could put Benny Hill music over that. Clown music. Goalkeeper. Like, what's the goalkeeper doing? Oh, but the ball was out of play. Cool. Did that stop them defending? And Souček had the easiest goal he'd ever scored in his life. Cool. No worries. We've been poor the first half. Let's get in at half time. We'll sort it out. We've done the team huddle. Yeah, we've done the team huddle when we come back out second half. Odegaard. Yeah, Odegaard. Yeah, maybe get your hair cut, mate, if you have to keep doing that. Like, what's that all about? Yeah, maybe shave your head, mate. Maybe do that. What's that all about? Yeah, pathetic. How many times expected hair flicks? He's got more expected hair flicks in this game and more actual hair flicks in this game than he has actual output this season. But don't worry, I'm negative. I'm negative. Last season was an anomaly with this guy. He's trash. I keep telling you lot, but eventually, 4 years later, you'll catch up because you're always 4 years behind because you have to get on the get along gang. Yeah, you have to get on that train. Oh, yes. Oh, vibes. Vibes. Really? Well, let me tell you right now. Yeah, let me tell you right now. 85 minutes gone. Is there a fire drill? Is there a fire drill? Why are all the top gooners leaving? Why are they all leaving? Because there was going to be at least 5 minutes of stoppage time. And there was still 5 minutes. There's 10 minutes. You're only 2-0 down. You can come back. We've seen it before. I've been at the game with the Ozil bounce goal where we scored 3 and 5 minutes against Liverpool. And Petr Cech happened and threw Firmino shot in the back of the net, 3-3. But we've seen Arsenal score 3 goals in 5 minutes before. So why are you all leaving the ground? Where are you going? What's the hurry? I get it. I get it. You're lying. You don't trust the process. You're hoping on the process. These men have buried this football club. Yeah. Let me tell you right now, yeah, that was exactly the same game that I have watched Arsenal play maybe 10 times this season. The only difference is we didn't score. And when I'm calling it out when we've won a game against Luton, when I'm calling it out when we've won a game against Forest, when I'm calling it out when we've won a game against other teams, I'm negative. Just be happy. We're top of the league. How's Christmas champions going? But we won the game. Just be happy. Why can't you just celebrate? We won the game. Yeah. Won the game. Yeah. We're top of the league. Yeah, cool. Because I see what's coming. And when you can predict what's coming and you've seen the same story unfold, you've seen the script a billion times before, you can kind of predict what's going to happen. You can kind of predict it. But this football club is not serious. And the reason it is not serious is because there is an army of divs that have latched onto it that just want to bury it because they want to be the next football trends writer for football.london, or they want to be a super mutant account online. Get out of it. Start saying it as it is, innit? We're not very good. We're not very good. Man City must be sitting there licking their chops. They're licking their chops, mate. They win their game in hand against Brentford, who are in freefall, flirting with relegation, just been pammed by Wolves 4-1 at home. They win that game, which they're supposed to, the same as we're supposed to win against West Ham. They're above us. Kevin De Bruyne coming back. Doku coming back. Haaland coming back. Yeah, that blue shark's looking kind of hungry, I can't lie. But don't worry, we got people twerking all over the gaff. We got the best right winger in the world. Where was he today? Where was he today? Man was bouncing his batty on the floor like Ice Spice, bruv. Yeah? You take the mick out of Rashford, yeah? That guy was trash tonight. But again, he's been trash most of the season. But because he's got GA, you give him a pass. He was horrible tonight. Trossard, my baller, horrible tonight. He was one of the worst players, if not the worst player on the pitch. See, this is what I do. I'm fair with it. Yeah? I love Trossard. I think he's a top baller. I love Saka. But when they're crap, say they're crap. Not just, oh, but he got an assist. You weirdos, mate. Yeah, Martinelli. Why are you even starting the game? Why are you taking 1 billion touches in the penalty box? Gabby Jesus, by the way. Get this guy a beer. Yeah? Gabby Jesus. People are taking the mick out of Nico Jackson at Chelsea. He has 3.5 times more goals than, in fact, I think he has 4 times more goals than Gabby Jesus. Hold my beer. Hold my beer. What's going on here? Oh, but we saved the penalty. Well done. Yeah? That's probably the only positive I can take out of that game, that it weren't 3-0. Like, embarrassing. Gabby Jesus spends half the time on the floor. Half the time on the floor. Embarrassing. Yeah? Embarrassing. But don't worry, we brought the King of Zamunda on who did nothing apart from try and do a CR7 bicycle kick. Like, what? Bro, you were on the bench at Leeds in the Championship. Who do you think you are? Reece Nelson dropping a disaster. what, 400 minutes of football this season. There you go. Have 5 million cash up front in your bank account. Cash. $5 million. And 100 grand a week. This football club, yeah, is a disgrace here, guys. I feel embarrassed, guys. But I can sleep well tonight. I can sleep well every night. I can sleep well every night since this manager's got here. Because you know what? I am not a lying bastard. I say it as it is. Yeah. And when you lot all catch up and stop playing your stupid little games to try and get the Football London gig or get a VIP ticket or get Arsenal to send you some merch, you know, or try and be part of the get along gang, eventually you will turn up and go, Lee, do you know what? I've always thought you were negative, but you're right. But there has to be a tipping point. We're not at that tipping point yet. So I'm called to be the villain, innit? Because ultimately, I am right. And I wish I was wrong. But every single time you think, do you know what? This manager's actually, yeah, maybe he can do it this season. Every time he lets you down. Every time these players let you down. Smith Rowe, what are you doing when you come on? Hair flicks. Hair flicks. Yeah, the little video that's doing the rounds. Jules. Yeah, how many jewels did they all win tonight? Did we miss 29 tonight? Is that the reason? Or is it VAR? Or is it because the waterlogged pitch, because it was hammering down with rain? Like, what are we doing here? Embarrassing, guys. Yeah, clear and obvious, guys. But when you lot wake up, yeah, yeah, I don't want your apologies. Don't want your apologies. I say what I think, not what I think people will like. Yeah. And when you lot get on the same page, maybe this football club, yeah, will not be buried. But until then, here we are. Oh, but Lee, we're still there. We're still in touching distance. Yeah, Flew is giving it the Bertie on Tuesday about, oh, Villa bottled it. Yeah, Villa bottled. Okay, cool. Well, Villa have got a better last 5 games than we have, mate. So are we bottling it? Yeah, get out of here, man. Yeah, Arsenal hate is an illness. No, Arsenal are shit. Yeah, and they're winging it. Yeah, and not many people want to hear the truth. Yeah, unfortunately for you lot that don't want to hear the truth, I'm giving you the truth. Yeah, you can't handle the truth. You can't handle the truth because you're liars. Yeah, you're liars. This football club is not winning nothing with this manager. Well done. Thanks for the FA Cup. Thank you for getting us back to a level that we was 7 years ago when I was protesting to get Wenger out. Yeah, it was deemed not good enough by most of these idiots that are latched onto this manager. Yeah, but cool. No drama, no problema, no pasa nada. Hijo de puta. Yeah. Para siempre. Entra en la basura. Yeah. Hijo de puta. Yeah. Get in the bin, son of a. Get out of here, man. I'm sick to death of people waffling. But you can waffle all you like. Ultimately, Mikel will let you down. And on that bombshell, I'm out of here. Check out Lee Reacts. Nearly on 25k on there. Link in description. I'm doing a Maras FC watch along. We're going to watch a proper footballer, proper right winger. Cheers. A proper right winger. Oh, Saka's the best right winger in the world. Oh, Odegaard's the best number 10. Declan, bend it like Declan. Best EM in the world. Oh, we got the best centre-back partnership in the world. Where were they all tonight? They were nowhere to be seen, mate. Yeah, they got overrun by David Moyes' West Ham. What phase is Moyes in? He's had the job a week after Arteta got there. He spent a third of the money. Yeah, the ghost of Bobby Moore isn't waffling with PR. Yeah, I ain't seen Tony Cottee wheeling out kits like Ian Wright every 2 weeks. Don't see Mark Noble on TalkSport every week like Martin Keown. Yeah, what phase is Moyes in? Yeah, get out of here, man. It's embarrassing. See you later.